Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your device has a steady internet connection. 3 Mbps or higher keeps audio from stalling. Open the YouTube app or go to YouTube. Calm now and sign in if you want playlists or watch history. Pick the video you want, then pause it. Next, check your device volume and the browser tab or app slider. Make sure both are not muted. Once those basics are set, you're ready to move into playback and audio routing. Press play and listen for a steady buffer. If the audio stutters, pause to let it load. Now route the sound. Open your operating system audio settings and pick the output device, speakers, wired headphones, Bluetooth, or an HDMI receiver. Make sure the browser or app audio output matches your chosen device. Adjust the device and app volume so they're balanced. Also disable any audio enhancements or equalizers that can color or clip the sound. Once done, confirm playback stays continuous while you control other apps. Finish by enabling background play if you need audio while multitasking. On mobile, this may require app permission or YouTube Premium. If audio fails, check simple causes first. Unmute toggles in the player, update audio drivers, and reconnect Bluetooth or HDMI cables. If the problem persists, play a different video or try another device to isolate whether it's the file, the app, or your hardware. One troubleshooting tip: restarting the browser or device often resets audio drivers and resolves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.